Hi. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I have got my Ipsy Glam Bag. So for the month of June. And so here we go. Oh, it's just a cute little, it's kind of a, I don't know what you call it. Is it polyurethane? I don't know. It's a bag that you could get wet. It's got this really cute, they always have cute zip ties on them. Good quality. It's yellow inside. And let me see if we have a card here. We have a card. And this is, it says sunny days ahead. That's the theme. And the moment you've been waiting for, all of our items that are in the box. On the back, it tells a couple things coming in July. And the sunny days ahead, let's see what they say about it. They say, this month, we're dedicating everything you need for a sun-kissed glow all summer long. So there's 5 new products in here valued up to $70. And so I'm going to pull out the first item here, and it is from Frank Body. It's a rose hip body scrub cleanser. It's just a small one, but there's actually quite a bit in here. So that will go in my shower. Either that or I'll take it. I might take this for vacation. I just opened it though. So it doesn't smell like rose. It's not annoying. I don't like the rose smell, but it's more like just rose alone. Sometimes if it's mixed with other fragrances, I like it, okay? So anyway, that's my first item. The next item I'm pulling out here is, I got a brush. This is okay, I know what this is about. This is a dual head brush. And let me see if I can just get it open so I can show you guys what it's about. There's actually a product I got in here that goes with this. So I better get that one out too now. Let me see if I can find it. Here we go. I got this is Beauty. This is by Jasmine Beauty. This is a brow base, a brow styling wax. And it is, I need to cut it open here so I can get it out, but it goes with this brush. So we got the styling wax, and then we have this brush it's kind of cool. It's got just so super cute. Look, on one side it's like a little brush. I have a face brush kind of like this. It's really big, but this is a little tiny. And then the other side is just like an angled brush for brows. So I think you can take your color with this one and do your brows, and then you take this side and you dip it, and then you can shape your brows. So I'm not super excited about this, only because I have a couple of really good brow products or brows like this, and I don't really use them. So anyway, but I don't know. I think this brush is adorable though. It's really cute. So those 2 items. So that's those 2 and 3. And then my 4th item is from Benefit. I got their it's their lip gloss, and this is Benefit Cosmetics. Let's see here. It's Plush Tint in Cream Puff. It's time to treat your lips to the 5-star experience they deserve. This neutral pink lip tint has a plush matte finish and soft focus blurring effect to make your pout look smooth and velvety. So anyway, let's see. So it also says it has moisture that helps your lips also. So let's open this up. I did just film my boxycharm by Ipsy, and in there I also got one of these as an add-on, but I got a different color. The color I got in my add-on was kind of a red color. It was a bright color. I think this one, from what it's saying, is just going to be a lighter, more neutral. Still looks pretty powerful. It looks kind of It's kind of a brownish color. It's a neutral. So there it is. I like it. It's a real good neutral color. So really tiny, a tiny sample, but it will last a little while. It's so small it could go in, you know, go in the purse and be okay. So that's my fourth item. And my fifth item is, I believe this is one I picked because if they give me a choice for a palette, I usually pick it. This is from Glamgasm. They call it the Glamgasm palette. It's actually from Formula Z Cosmetics. So, and I'm going to see maybe if I can find a price, a value on this. Because this is a full-size product. You always get, now they allow you to get one full-size product. You can pick it, you can choose a product, and they always have a choice of a full-size product if you like it. So this is just a real natural palette. Here we go. Okay, yeah, it's really tiny. These are really tiny. I don't know how much I would use them. It does have a couple of colors that are light that I like. So there we go. Anyway. Okay, and it is valued, they say the value of this is $32. I wouldn't pay $32, so I'm grateful to get it in my box. But anyway, so that's my fifth item. So I've got the palette, the brow, the brush, lip, and I've got the rose hip, the body cream. So those are my 5 products. Happy with it. Happy. The bag is adorable. It's just a fun little summer bag with a zipper. So anyway, not really complaining. So let me know what you think. Do you get the Ipsy Glam Bag? If you guys are interested, I do have a link down below in my description that you can go to, and if you want to sign up and join them. These are, I think, around $15 a month, maybe with tax it's a little bit more. I purchase them on an annual basis, so I get them a lot cheaper. Not a lot, but a little bit cheaper. And so anyway, there you go. And I'm happy. I love Ipsy. I love the things that I get from them and that I can try and experiment with. So anyway, thank you for being here today. I appreciate your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.